Online dispute resolution is a free, government-operated scheme that helps small businesses resolve commercial disputes without the need for face-to-face meetings, while making the use of lawyers optional. Take jewelry shop tenant Jess. She's been broken into twice and wants security bars fitted. Unfortunately, the bars her landlord proposes are unsightly. Jess fears they could undermine the shop's appeal and reduce trade. But no security bars probably means another break-in. This is where the Small Business Commissioner can help. On our website, you'll find an online dispute resolution link. As Jess's details are stored in We Agree, the relevant information is displayed. She just needs to describe her problem, create a timeline of what she's been through, and decide what matters most to her. Here, ODR helps her define her priorities. Now she's in the best possible position to choose whether to argue with the agent, share her case with a friend, solicitor, or the Small Business Commissioner for advice, or engage the landlord directly. Jess contacts the Commissioner, who advises tenants, landlords, and small businesses at any stage of a dispute or problem. It's suggested that Jess checks her lease, where she finds the landlord need only provide the basics. She's further advised that, commercially, it's still worth seeking an agreement that works for both parties. So how does this work for the landlord? Molly was asked to install security bars on one of her shops. Having arranged for a cost-effective solution, she's surprised to learn that the tenant isn't happy. Jess invites Molly to use the ODR. When Molly signs in, she sees a timeline of events, including 2 burglaries she didn't know about. Molly is able to provide a description of her perspective, consider her own priorities, and respond to items on Jess's timeline with an agree, don't know, or disagree. She marks security bars offered are not acceptable as disagree. This takes Jess to the next step, which is to explore and suggest some options to Molly. She chooses landlord pays for repairs, tenant contributes to repairs, and adds her own. I pay for a security system, but remove it when I leave. Molly doesn't mind fitting different bars if it doesn't cost her more, so she adds this as an option. Jess is happy with Molly's option and creates a draft agreement in the ODR. Molly agrees to it, and they're good to go. If you have a small business dispute, please use the free, secure, collaborative space of ODR. It's there to help.